In this short technique video, I'm going to show you how I like to pre-shape my pizza dough into a small round or a small ball, which will then be left to proof. Start with my divided dough. If there's any little bits of dough that have been cut from dividing, it's okay. I just like to work those into the middle. And the technique is really simple. We're just going to fold the dough over itself as we rotate it around. So fold it over, use our thumb and our index finger to kind of pinch the dough together and create a ball. You can see as you're doing this, the dough will start to tighten on the outside, and you can see some nice fermentation activity. If you have any big bubbles, just kind of pop those out and redistribute. And really all we're doing here is working the dough into a round, tight shape with no seam on the bottom. So that's another key point here, is we don't want any seam. The dough should be completely closed up on the bottom. That way when we proof the dough, we'll have a nice even round, and it's a good place to start from when shaping out our pizza crust. Place this into our oiled and prepared proofing container. I like to use these large rectangular containers, but you can use a glass dish, a small storage container if you'd like, anything that's been greased with olive oil, and we'll leave that to proof until ready to shape out into a pizza crust.